dear friends, today we are going to make Puli Inchi and Mulaku Pachadi. For that I had taken a 50 gram of crushed ginger, 20 green chilies which are not spicy and 4 jaggery cubes. I had taken a 1 cup of tamarind water. I made it using 2 pieces of tamarind. To that add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add our jaggery. Mix them and let it boil until it gets reduced. At the same time, I had taken here 20 green chilies which are not spicy. Make a slit in between them and add some salt to it. Continue the process with all 20 green chilies. After filling all the green chilies with the salt, to a pan add some oil. To that add our green chilies and saute them. When the green chilies are getting sauteed, at the same time to a grinder add 5 tablespoons of grated coconut and 1.5 teaspoon of jeera. Grind them to a fine paste. Now our green chilies are sauteed so well. Now divide our jaggery tamarind mixture. Keep half of it aside. Let the other half of the tamarind water get reduced. After a few minutes, add our sauteed green chilies and our coconut mixture to it. Mix them well. Add 1.5 teaspoon of mustard powder. Mix them well and keep it close. Our Mulaku Pachadi is ready. To the same saucepan, add our crushed ginger, green chili and saute them well. After sauteing them, add it to the rest of the tamarind water. To that add few curry leaves and let it boil for few minutes. Now our Puli Inchi is ready. To another saucepan, add some coconut oil and some mustard seed. Add some red chilies and curry leaves. Saute them. Now add this to Mulaku Pachadi and Puli Inchi. Now our 2 easy curries are ready. Hope you all enjoy the video. If so, please smash the thumbs up button.